In this video tutorial series, I will show you how to install FontLab and create your fonts from scratch. You have to go to fontlab.com and click on Discover FontLab 7. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected to this screen. Click on Try Free and you will be redirected to Download page. You can also buy the software from this page. It is also available for students at a discounted price. So, once you have installed the software, you will see this window. This is the default workspace of the FontLab. Now, click on a file, New Font, and this window will appear. All these letters are demo letters, they are not actually there in your file. Whichever letter you want in your file, select those letters, and click Enter. Let's say if I want this many letters in my file, I will select them and click Enter. Once you do this, these letters are included in your file. When you save this file, close it, and open it again, you will only see the letters which you had added from the last time. If you want to add other letters, you can add other letters by going on this, Latin Simple or Latin Pro. Then you click on this icon, you will see all these letters, and whichever letter you want to include, you can click on that letter and press Enter. When you click on all, you will see the available glyphs in your font file. Now let's say if you want to add all these glyphs from scratch. We will delete these glyphs for now. Select all, and click Delete. Right now there are no glyphs in our font file. So if you want to add glyphs you can click on the font, and click Add Glyphs. In this window, you will see a different kind of category to add fonts. When you click on scripts you will see a different list of scripts. You can add Arabic, Bengali, etc. Right now we want to add Latin. When I click on Latin, I will see all these different kinds of letters. And whichever letter I want to add, I just have to select the letters and click on Apply. This is another method of adding glyphs to your font file. There is also a shortcut for adding Latin letters. First, we delete all the letters. And we want to add simple Latin glyphs. So, this set is for Latin Simple. You click on all letters and press Enter. Now, all these letters are included in your font file. Now, we have set up our file. And we are ready to begin. So for now we will just save this. Don't worry about other windows on the screen, you will get to know about them. So, this I button is very important. You can define different kinds of font properties by clicking on this button. When you click on this button, you will see this window. In this window, there are different font properties, name, family dimensions, and all other settings. Right now we want to name our font. You just simply click on family name and rename it to let's say Mi Font. When you click on the family name, there are other parameters also. But, FontLab has nice functionality, you just click on Build Names and it will automatically rename all other dependent font file names. You click on Apply, click on OK, and now your font file is ready. Right now your font name is Mi Font Regular. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the next part of tutorial series. See you next time.